Hey, this is Dave with Creation Crate, and I wanted to take just 2 minutes to talk to you about the difference between our original Creation Crate projects and our Creation Crate version 2.0. We've taken a lot of feedback from the thousands of subscribers that we've had, and we've tried to stuff some of their ideas into these new projects. As you may know, Creation Crate, our original projects, teach you electronics and coding using the Arduino platform. So this is an example of our MoodLanit project. You put the electronic circuit together and then you program the Arduino so that it only comes on at night and dances through a bunch of different colors. What we've done, for example, with the 2.0 version is we've upgraded the LDR, for example. It's a lot bigger. We have a translucent breadboard with it. We've added some additional LEDs. We changed the code around a little bit. And what I think is the biggest improvement is that we made the box part of the project. So not only do you have the project, but when you're all done, you get to put all the components into the box, and it makes a great display for your nightstand or your dresser or wherever you want to put it. Now, the other projects get even more complicated. There are 3 versions of each of the projects, and you graduate, 3 phases, I should say. So the first one here, you will make a clock. So you get this giant 1.2-inch LED display. You get a DS3231 timing chip. You learn how to code it so that you can use this as a clock. Well, then another month you'll get phase 2, which will have all the additional components that you need to turn this into an alarm clock. After that, phase 3 gets even trickier because we give you all the components you need to turn this into a puzzle alarm clock. So instead of just being able to hit snooze, you got to solve a series of puzzles in order to turn your alarm off. It's really fun to build, but as you can see, it gets more and more complicated and gives you an opportunity to really test your skills. 1.0 is great for learning Arduino. It's also great for learning electronic circuits. It's a wonderful program. It's very affordable, so we want to keep that. But we also want to give some folks the opportunity to upgrade to version 2.0, which has some upgraded components, some different projects, and also, like I said, turns the box into part of the project and makes it even cooler. And if you look behind me here, I am working on our Land Rover. So this is going to be a really cool project when it's all done as well. Either way you go, I hope you create something great.